In this task, we need to install vsftpd on all app servers. So we already have this inventory. So we need to write a playbook. So let's write playbook.yml. So I'm just gonna start with the name, install vsftpd, and then host on all servers, and then we need to become root user, and then tasks. So I'm gonna name it installing vsftpd. It doesn't matter, you can name it anything. The matter is we are going to use m and then name. So the tool we are installing in vsftpd, and then I'm gonna say state present. And then once you install it, we need to make sure that start it and enable it. So let's write that part, name it start vsftpd, and then I'm gonna use service name vsftpd, and then state started, and I'm just gonna copy it, paste it, and then in this task I'm gonna say enable vsftpd instead of started, enabled. So just copy this part, paste it, and Control C. Now run it, ansible-playbook -i inventory and the playbook name. Now this one is gonna install it. Meanwhile, I'm gonna run an edo command. So that's ansible. Let's get into this directory, ansible all -i inventory, and then I'm gonna run command systemctl status vsftpd. This one's still installing it. Okay, it says cannot be found. But once you install it, okay, it's installed it, it started it, but enabled value statement must be one of reloaded, restarted, or started. Got enabled. Okay, we need to mention one of these, not enabled. So I'm just gonna edit the playbook instead of enabled. Let's write. Otherwise, I can say, let's see, service in Ansible. Check the document for reference. So if you scroll down, okay, it's expecting enabled. So this should be enabled true. So we need to set like this, and let's rerun it. So it's been installed. If we check it, earlier we got this could not be found. Now let's see. Yeah, it's active. Even we can grep it. Maybe I'm just gonna say grep active. So it's running now, but it should be enabled. So it is enabled as well now. So if we check the task results now, it's successful. Thank you for your time.